The title of this track is I Can't Let You Go. Boy, is it hard to let sugar go. You're probably wondering what makes this zucchini bread better. And I use all organic, non-GMO ingredients as much as possible. I really appreciate you watching this video. I got that zucchini from a farm, and the coconut oil there, it's so hot here, it was already melted. The honey came from a local farmer's market. It's really dark and it has a really unique flavor to it. Two teaspoons of vanilla. Seems like most recipes only call for one. And it's smelling good right now. The flour that I used is organic all-purpose flour by Central Milling that I found at Costco, and it is organic. The zucchini I didn't press any moisture out of. It's just a cup and a half of zucchini. See that little bubble pop? Oop. And there it is. This smelled great and it was so delicious. And I cut off an end piece, you'll see on the plate there. Thank you for subscribing. And then I added a little bit more honey. See you in the next video.